warm welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Jamuna, Associate Professor of Management from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, New Delhi. Let's see something related to time value of money. Time value of money is the idea that money that is available at the present time is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity. This core principle of finance holds that provided money can earn interest, any amount of money is worth more than the sooner it is received. One of the most fundamental concepts in finance is that money has a time value attached to it. In simpler terms, it would be safe to say that a dollar was worth more than yesterday than today, and a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. You can connect this to rupees also. Now, future money can be told as present money plus the time value. There are 5 variables that you need to know in time value. Let's see one by one. First one is present value, that can be denoted as PV. This is your current starting amount. It is the money you have in your hand at the present time. That is your initial investment for future. And number 2, future value. This is your ending amount at a point in time in the future. It should be worth more than the present value, provided it is earning interest and growing over time. Number 3 is the number of periods that will be denoted in term of N. This is a timeline for your investment or debt it can be. It is usually measured in years, but it could be any scale of time such as quarterly, monthly, or even daily. Next one is interest rate, that can be denoted as I. This is a growth rate of your money over the lifetime of the investment. It is stated in percentage value such as 8% or 9%, which can be converted into 0.08% or 0.09%. Payment amount. Payment amount can be denoted as PMT. There are a series of evenly spaced cash flows. This can be seen and understood from the following figure. You can calculate the 5th variable if you are given any 4 of the 5, all variables listed above. We will look into this concept by a simple example. If you invest 1 rupee, that is called PV, for 1 year, that is called N, at 6%, which is I, you will receive rupees 1.06, that is FV. This would be the same as saying the present value of rupees 1.06 you expect to receive in 1 year is only rupees 1, that is the present value. Hope you understood the time value of money. If you want to see more videos like this, kindly log on to Technia TV. Thank you.